Hi guys, and welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to prepare roasted chicken, the one you can call barbecue chicken. Okay, so I craved for this and I say I'm gonna make it. This is after I came back in the night from work. It should be around that kind 7. So why I made this meal, I'm going to tell you why. People make resolution, but at the end of the day, they can't keep this resolution. Okay, so how do you prepare your own chicken? How do you marinate? What do you put inside? Okay, so as you can see in this picture, I am prepping what I will use to marinate my chicken. I don't know whether I'm going to well. Okay, as in to rub now that thing where you go rub for the body, so you go enter inside, make the chicken sweet. I hope you understand that one. So what I have, as you can see, I put my pepper, I put my onions, I put my ginger, I put my garlic. So what do you have? All my normal use to make bigger container of the one that uses water. But because it's nice, I really want to waste time trying to prepare it. When you this meal, I after you like things really requires to work. Okay, since I'm not gonna have it will work. So that is how I ended up using this to do it to blend. But at the end of the day, it took very long. On the two days, this one took me close to 3 going to 5 you know, only one thing with blender. So I tried my best. I took it easy. At the end of the day, I did it. But you know what happened? 2 peppers did not blend. 2. So have taken much time trying to blend this thing, and I vowed that I will never use this mailer to do this again. Anytime I want to play, I'll go straight and use my blender itself to do this thing. So this is it. You will see the pepper now. So now to the main thing, why do people not keep resolution? Okay, I'm this type of person that will write out menu because I want to use myself. For example, I write out menu or I write out menu. You just take my English so long as you understand what I'm talking about. No bala. So you write out menu to help you in your meal, because if you're a woman, you understand that. So remember what you cook every day is not a day's job. It's not easy. You will write your menu and paste in your kitchen. If you know you have menu in your kitchen, please drop it in the comment section. But at the end of the day, you are not keeping it. Why? Because maybe when you want to do that particular thing you have in your menu, you don't have enough money to buy it. Especially when you want to end as it starts a healthy lifestyle. You want to make some food. You wouldn't have enough money that time. Okay, when you don't have money, when you check your menu, you want, as in it's as in you have what you have in the menu, it wouldn't be what you want to eat. Okay, so that is one reason people do not keep resolution. So to keep a resolution, it takes commitment. You must totally be committed to that. Okay, so guys, this is when I remove the pepper. I don't know whether I captured this in this video. When I remove the pepper that did not blend. Okay, now I'm removing. Are you seeing it? After taking me so much time, I couldn't still blend all 2 peppers. We are there or are they? Okay, anyway, are you seeing it? At the end of the day, thank God the one that blended, they did well. That's by the way. So that is one reason people don't give resolution. takes enough commitment, persistence before you can be able to keep a resolution. So why I'm making this video is that I said I'm going to take this. This is out of a menu. I pasted menu. I'm not using it for so long because the thing wasn't working. What I have in my menu, most times I will not even have it in the kitchen. I won't even have it around. I will not cook another thing. So I now create this is and say, let me resist from taking carbs in the night. What I do these days, I take my carb early hours of the day. In the morning, I'm working afternoon, but night. That is my resolution. I don't know how far I'll go with this, but I pray God helps me. All right. So I say, let me do salad and this roasted chicken. Okay. So this is the video where I was preparing it. As you can see, I'm done blending this. I'm gonna pour it on the chicken. I'm gonna marinate it. I'm gonna put it inside freezer. But what happened will shock you. Ask me what happened. What happened was, immediately I finished marinating this, I put it inside my freezer and NEPA took lights, like very seriously. Secondly, I wasn't having gas. My gas got finished. So as I came back from work, my son told me that the gas has finished. Okay, since there's lights, since I'm making light food, I can still do it. Lo and behold, as if they heard me, they took their light. As if that was not enough, I waited for like, let me say 30 minutes for where there was no light. That was when it was done on me. Because after marinating this, I put it inside freezer. I prepared my salad. You understand? As I was doing that, I was still hoping that this light will be restored. 1 hour, 30 minutes gone, 1 hour gone, no way. That was how I started eating my salad like a goat. Just start eating the grass. I ate my salad, a bowl of salad. I finished it. But you know one thing with salad, when you eat salad alone without any other heavy meal, my sister, the kind of hunger that will mama you. You not believe it. So talking about keeping resolution, at least I tried, because I wasn't forced to go and maybe start making eba or start eating bread. I just ate that salad, laid on my bed. I slept because I made up my mind. See, I'm not gonna take any heavy food this night, no matter what the devil does. And I kept to that. I didn't eat any other thing apart from salad. But my plan was to take salad and with that chicken. That would be a proper meal for night. But as the devil will always plan, as they're planning their own. They did that, but I had another plan. I ate my salad in peace and I slept in peace. So guys, let me know your resolution and how far you're going with that. So my own is to resist eating heavy food in the night. I want to see how far I will go with this. So here comes my salad, what people call coleslaw, my sap. I put my cabbage. This is my carrots. I'm not gonna put everything. If you can guess how much I bought these carrots, I might be having something for you. I have only like 5-6 fingers there. How much do you think I bought it? And I think this is the season, but guess how much I bought it in this our country. So watch and see what I'm going to use for my coleslaw. I think I use like 4 ingredients here. Is it ingredient or is it food? Is it vegetable? I use 4 things here for it: cabbage, carrots, tomatoes, and onions. Let me know what you use for your coleslaw. You go with 4 things, or you can just go with either cabbage or either carrots. So guys, if you avoid this video to this point, I say a very big thank you for watching my video. Check out for next video.